Hi everyone, it's Madam Mal again, I guess. The only reason I'm putting up a video is actually because I'm being forced. Somebody help me, I'm being held hostage. I'm serious. No, if that was serious, like why the hell would I get a hold of a camera just to tell you, excuse me? It'd be kind of weird. Yeah, if I look tired, it's because I did my eyeliner all fucked up today. Oh! Nails. I love them nails. This time I did this instead of the cheetah print. Wait. Ah, there we go. Hello. It's like, wait. Blurry. Focus. Blurry. Ah! It's an earthquake. It's a hand earthquake. It's so weird. Okay, so, you guys need to see my cat. Well, my sister's cat. Demon cat. Popcorn. This is Popcorn. Right, baby? Baby. She cries a lot. She's just weird. Oh, she has eye boogies. It's gross. You're dirty, dirty whore. And nobody loves you. That's a lie. I love you. Yes, I do. My dad thinks she has cancer because she has black on the inside of her mouth. She doesn't like that. But that's not true. Right, Popcorn? Right. So, yeah, that's it. I don't know what the point of this was other than, time waster and stuff. Okay. Blar.